Hello everyone, this is Nageshwar. I am very happy to participate in this contest by Engineers Connect. My topic is what engineering has taught me. This question reminds me of my college days. We usually say life is a journey, but engineering is a journey within a journey. Things we end up learning in these 4 years are probably the best things you will ever learn in your life. I'll tell you what engineering has taught me in some points. It will give you some clarity. The first point, the diversity. This is a time of your life where you will meet people from all over the country or state, belonging to different parts of the society, following different cultures, and having different personalities. Initially, it feels like you are stuck, but gradually, you will feel lucky because you wouldn't have experienced the real meaning of diversity without being here. You learn by observing, and it simply feels great. People are different, but they are fabulous in their own way. And second point, you ain't the smartest man in the room. This hit me hard. You know, sometimes you think you are really good in what you do just because you are way ahead in it at school. In the kingdom of the blind, the one eyed man is the king. Things change in college, and you will find out there are way more intelligent and wise people than you. You are nothing. You need to learn. The third point, patience is key. This is one big lesson I learned here. You get to deal with professors who simply don't agree they are wrong, classmates who will piss you off with their attitude, college politics that can snatch your opportunities, and you even happen to muster a fair share of people who will hate you because you manage to be the best in what you do. Many tend to hate notes, but at the end of the day, without notes, we are screwed. So, one gets to know how to keep their cool while dealing with such situations. And the fourth point, GPA matters. It might sound cool to say, bro, let's do it next semester. What's the point of being a 9 pointer? After all, everyone is gonna get into an IT company. So why study? Chalo, we'll have fun. But things change when you move into your professional life, and a good GPA speaks for itself most of the times. And fifth point, times and tide wait for no man. One learns what the real meaning of time management is. It might be a last minute assignment or a project, or maybe studying for the semester exam the night before. You learn how to juggle your task in the situations. Feels great to know I actually managed to complete shitload of stuffs in a short span of time back then. And the sixth point, passion ain't enough. Sometimes we end up in a engineering course thinking we could handle it like a pro just because we like it. Later, you realize that passion ain't enough. Hard work plays a king role here. You have to sloke your ash off with all these mini tests, semester exams, assignments, projects, lab, extracurricular activities, evil professors, ultra evil headed of the department, and learn the art of the balancing this and your personal life. Ain't easy thing, but once it is done, it's totally worth it. And the seventh point, friends are here, are friends forever. The two or three buddies you manage to gather in these 4 years of times, this is because they seen the crap you have done and been through all these rainy days with you. As we grow up, you will understand why college life was actually the best part of your life because of friends. And the eighth point, respect to those scientists. Every single day in the class, during those lecturers, I used to wonder, man, if studying an already written concept looks this hard, what was the brain of the guy who invented this made up of? I developed a great amount of respect for every scientist in the world. Salute. And the last, if you can do this, everything else in life is